about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the campsite. If you have any questions, just send me an email on the email address at the bottom of your screen, or jump on my Facebook page and send me a message. If you would like to see more great campground videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as well as check out our camping directory at livetocamp.com.au. Also, click on the links in the description below so you can buy all the great gear Live to Camp uses to film your next camping adventure.